Hey boos, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jasmine. If you are new here, if you are an old subby, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you. Today I will be cash stuffing my side hustle money, aka my YouTube check, and all other forms of side hustle money for the month. If you notice, the setup is different. Things are a little different. I don't have nails on today. It is late at night and I'm trying to get this done. So let's get into it. So if you notice, the money is already set up because I have a lot to go through today. I didn't want to waste time doing that. I actually got my iMac in just a few hours ago, so I'm still trying to figure out the new setup, and my desk is pretty small, so forgive this. Let's get into it. So if you notice, here is the new wallet. This is the one I will be selling in my shop in the coming weeks. It still carries all of the same things. It has all the same pockets. It's really well made. It's beautiful. It'll only be available in this color for the launch. Only thing it doesn't have is the big pocket back here, but I didn't care for it. I feel like this is so much more compact and it looks better. So, just so you guys can start getting your eyes on it in case you're interested in one. Okay, so let's get into this stuffing. So for this side hustle check, I got paid from my side hustle selling bags and vibrators. I will try to insert some pictures of some of the ones I have at the very end of the video. If you're interested, you can just message me on IG and we can make it work. So my bags and vibrators paid me $710. TikTok, my check this month was $200. It's a little shorter. I haven't really been as active on there as I should have. My sponsorship on YouTube, I got paid $650, and then my YouTube check was actually $2,500 this month. I went in and fixed some things on my channel that I should have fixed a long time ago, and I actually started getting paid the right amount. So I've been missing money because I didn't do this one thing. So it's kind of disheartening, but this month's check looks really good as well too. So you live and you learn. So my total is $4,060 for side hustle money, and I X'd out my cash envelopes because I wasn't going to put anything there, but I actually just sold another bag, so I may use some of this money. I think I'll have extra to fill up some of these envelopes, but for now we are going to start with our sinking funds. So the first one I want to stuff actually is my YouTube taxes. And I just talked to my CPA and I need to do 20%. That is going to be, please forgive the handwriting, $500. So to our YouTube money here, we are going to add $500. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm actually going to use these older bills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So $500 is going to YouTube. Our new total in here: 100, 2, 3, 4, 500, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 100, 150, 200, 250, 270, 280. So $1,280 in our YouTube envelope. It really hurts, but you gotta pay. Gotta pay Uncle Sam what he's owed. Alright, so we've got that one done. Now we'll just go ahead and go down the list of our sinking funds. As you guys know, the first person I always pay, after taxes of course, is myself. So my savings always gets 10% of whatever I made. So my savings will receive 1, 2, 3, 400, 5, and 6, $406. Okay, so our new total in here is 3,000. 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. 100, 120, 140, 150, 155, 157, 158, 159. So $4,000 $159 in our savings. It has been growing slowly but surely. Okay, up next is retirement. And again, okay, so you'll look at this amount and be like, girl, why? If you have been watching me this year, you know that my goal is to max out my IRA. And so since this money pretty much is extra, right? So I want to go ahead and get as close as I can to that $6,000 this year, if not reach it. So I figured, why not put this extra money towards retirement? So we're adding $1,000 today. 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. Okay, so our new total in retirement is 2,000. 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3,000. 100, 200, 3, 4, 5, 6, 650, 7, 720. So we have $3,720 in retirement. So we are now about 60% of the way to where we need to be, which is really good. Next up is debt. Debt will be receiving $250 today. And do I have any 50s in here? I have to make some change, y'all. Give me one sec. I had to go get this money from the ATM. So they didn't have any 50s in there today. Okay, so we'll take one of these 50s and add it along with our 200. So our new total in here is 1,000, 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 650, 670, 675, 680. So $1,680. Up next, so remember I told y'all I went ahead and bought the new car. Oh, and I was going to have to pay myself back for doing so early. So to new whip, I will be adding in that last $1,500 to get us to $7,500, because that's pretty much what the car cost. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So there's our 1,500. Adding that into new whip. So our new total in here is 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, which was in the bank. 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6,000. 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7,000. 100, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 1,600. And so my car, I'll put everything except for the 1K slips back in the bank, and then I'll get rid of this envelope because the new whip is bought and paid for. Okay, emergency fund will be receiving $100. So our new total in here, 1,000, 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 750, 770, 775, 776. So $1,776 in emergency. Medical will be receiving $50. I got this 50 here. Our new total here is 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 750, 770, 780, 785. So $785 in medical. Family time, nothing. So that's it for our ghost face binder. All right, so our miscellaneous fund here is getting nothing. Travel, nothing. My essentials will be receiving $40, 20, 40. So our new total in here, 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. So we're gonna have $300 in my essentials. Car maintenance will be receiving $40. So 20, $240. Our new total in here, 100, 2, 3, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 450, 470, 490, 510, 520, 530. Spent $530 in car maintenance. Boobies, which is our breast reduction fund, will be receiving $100. So our total in here, 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 850, 9, 950. So we're almost to our first $1,000 towards our breast reduction. Our month ahead fund will be receiving 75, which 20, 40, 60, 80 is what I'm going to put in here. And I'm going to take a 5 out. So our new total in here, 102, 253, 320, 340, 360, 380, 400. Okay. And that is all I have. But again, like I said, I did make another sale. And I've got a little bit of money left. So I'm going to go ahead and add, let's add $50 to travel. Okay. So we now have 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 20, 9, 40, 9, 60, 9, 70, 975, 980, 981, 982. And let's see. Gifts is good. Christmas has 790, so I'm going to go ahead and add 10 to level that out to 800. 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 750, 770, 790, 800. Rico has 360, but he's getting ready to get some money taken out because he got a tank, so let's give him, I'll give him 10. So 100, 2, 3, 320, 340, 350, 360, 365, 370 for Rico. My car insurance has 575. I'm going to go ahead and add 25 here to make that 600 because I'll be paying myself back for paying the premium on my credit card. 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 550, 570, 590, 595, 600. Car insurance, car maintenance. Let's see. There's $100 left. Let's see where I want to put it. New whip is good. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in medical. So, because I am going to be buying myself a health insurance plan at the new year. 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 850, 870, 880, 885 in medical. Okay, and so that concludes my side hustle stuffing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was a really big month for me. I made some really good progress. I'm actually getting ready to liquidate all my bags. I need to get rid of them. I need the room for my Black Friday boxes that are coming from my business. So again, if you're interested, I'll insert some pictures, and the bags will probably be $75 for everything, and the wallets will be $30 to $50. Okay, just in case any of you guys like, dupes. So what else do I need to announce? Just be on the lookout. If you love items from me, make sure you subscribe to my email list on my website. That's the first place I post like anything new. And you guys, thank you so much for all your support. Just to show some love back, I'm going to be giving away a $40 gift card to my website. All you need to do is, if you are a person who has purchased from me, leave your order number down below and leave me a review for your item. So if you bought a binder, you would be bad 1303, and I loved this about my binder. And I'll pick a random person and I will send you the code for your $40 gift card, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all have a good day. Bye.
Something to buy, da ba da bug, yeah. Da ba da bum ba buy, da bum buy, da bum buy, yeah. Set the potato, da buy, da. Boy, yeah. Sunlight that always stays. Dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life, rain.